Hello, my dear students. This is Saint Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, Vasai East, Palghar, Maharashtra Board. Welcome to SSC Online Audio Video Lessons. Myself, Jyoti Shankar Shinde. I am teaching in Standard 3rd, subject Maths. Today we are going to see chapter number 16, Fractions. Sonu has a large sheet of paper. Both Sonu and Salma want to draw a picture. Sonu said, "Let us divide this sheet into two equal parts." Tony said, "Come, I will do it." This is full sheet of paper. Now it is folded in dotted line and cut it there. So it becomes half. When something is divided into two equal parts, each of the parts is a half of that thing. It is known as fractions. Observe the pictures given below. This is a whole apple. When we cut it, become half an apple. Here is the another picture. That is a whole cake. When cut that cake, it also becomes a half a cake. Color a half of each of the pictures given below. In the given picture, the exactly half portion are colored. A line has been drawn in each of the figures given below. Put a tick mark under the figures which get divided into two equal parts by that line. Now look at the first figure, the rectangle. It is not divided into two equal parts, so it's a wrong. So put cross mark. In second figure, that is circle. That also not divided exactly equal parts, so it's a wrong. Put cross mark in the box. Now look at the figure number 3. It's a triangle. It is divided exactly two equal parts, so put the right in given box. In figure 4, that is also triangle, but it is not divided by the drawn line exactly into equal half, so it's a wrong. Put cross in the box. A quarter. When something is divided into four equal parts, each of the parts is a quarter of that thing. Here in this picture, a square is divided into four equal parts and we get four small squares. Small each square is known as a quarter of big square. This is a whole watermelon. And another one is a quarter watermelon. That means it's a fourth part of a whole watermelon, which is known as a quarter. Here is a picture of a whole, a half and a quarter. If we divide a half into wholes again, we get two quarters. We have seen already that when a whole is divided into four equal parts, we get a quarter. If we put two quarters together, we get a half. Similarly, if we put four quarters together, we will get a whole. Now in given picture, color a quarter part of each picture below. In the above picture, a quarter part of each figure is color. In each of the pictures below, lines have been drawn to divide the figures into four parts. If a figure is divided into equal parts, put a right mark under it. If not, put a cross. In first figure, that is rectangle, it is divided into equal parts, so it's right. In second picture, it's a circle and it is not divided into equal parts, so put cross in the box. In third picture, it's a rectangle that is also not divided into equal parts, so put cross in the box. The fourth picture, it's a square and that is divided into 4 equal parts, so put right below it in the box. And the triangle, it's not divided into 4 equal parts, it's a wrong, so put cross in the box. The given circle is divided into 4 equal parts, so put right in the given box. Here this rectangle also divided into 4 equal parts, so put the right in the given box. And here this plus sign is also divided into equal parts, so put right in the given box. Now we are going to learn 3 quarters. If whole is divided into 4 equal parts and we take 3 of them, the part that we have taken is called 3 quarters. Here is a half gua and a quarter of a gua. When we add these two together, that means a half and a quarter make 3 quarters. 3 quarters may also be called a 3/4 part of the whole. When we take away a quarter from a whole, that we have left is also 3 quarters. Now here in the color 3 quarters of the pictures below. In each given figure, the 3 quarters are colored. Now here some questions are given as a home assignment. This you have to solve in your notebook. The first question is here. Color half of a picture given below. In this question you have to only color half of the pictures. In question number 2, you have to color a quarter part of each pictures below. That means the 1/4 part of the given picture only you have to color. Out of the 4, you have to color a single part of it. In question number 3, color 3/4 of the pictures below. That means you have to color the 3 parts of the given picture. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.